Hi, my dear students. I hope you are all staying safe. And I'm very happy to connect with you on this online class. This semester, I'm going to handle organizational psychology. We can also call it as organizational behavior for those who have taken HR as specialization. So let's move on to the subject. Organizational behavior is the study of both group and individual performance and activity within an organization. This area of study examines human behavior in work environment and determines its impacts on job structure, performance, communication, motivation, leadership, etc. Organizational behavior is made up of two words, that is organization and behavior. Two or more individuals who are interacting with each other within a deliberately structured setup and working in an independent way to achieve some common objectives. Organizational play a major role in connecting people towards achieving objectives of the organization. We possibly cannot think of a single moment in our lives when we are not depending on organization in some form or the other. Right from the public transport that you use to come to your institute or college itself, the class you are attending at this moment are all examples of organization. What is behavior? It is the behavior of the people working in an organization to achieve common goals, or we can say objectives. Organization comprises of people with the different attitudes, culture, beliefs, norms and values. So let us understand organizational behavior and what it exactly it means. Organizational behavior can be defined as the study of what people think, feel, and do in and around organization. The study of organizational behavior facilitates the process, or we can say its method of explaining or understanding, predicting, maintaining, and changing employee behavior in an organizational setting. The value of organizational behavior is that it isolates important aspects of the manager's job and offers specific perspective on the human side of management. So we can categorize this human side of management into three types, that is people as organization, people as resources, people as people. In other words, it involves the understanding or prediction and control of human behavior and factors affecting their performance and interaction among the organizational members. And because organizational behavior is concerned specifically with the employment related situations, you should not be surprised to find that is emphasized behavior as related to concerns such as job, work, absenteeism, employment turnover, productivity, employee performance, and management. So, organizational behavior is an applied behavioral science that is built on contributions from a number of behavioral disciplines. So, organizational behavior is applied behavioral science that is built on contributions from a number of behavioral disciplines such as psychology, sociology, social psychology, anthropology, and economics. Psychology is the study of human behavior which tries to identify the characteristics of individuals and provides an understanding why an individual behaves in a particular way. This thus provides us with useful insight into areas such as human motivation, perceptual process, or personality characteristics. So next, we study about sociology. Sociology is the study of social behavior, relationship among social groups and societies, and the maintenance of social order. The main focus of attention is on the social system. This helps us to appreciate the functioning of individuals within the organization, which is essentially a social technical entity. Next, social psychology. Social psychology is the study of human behavior in the context of social situations. This essentially addresses the problem of understanding the typical behavior patterns to be expected from an individual when he takes part in a group. Anthropology is the science of mankind and the study of human behavior as a whole. The main focus of attention is on the cultural system, beliefs, customs, ideas, and values within a group or society, and the comparison of human behavior among different cultures. In this context of today's organizational scenario, it is very important to appreciate the differences that exist among people coming from different cultural backgrounds, as people are often found to work with others from the other side of the globe. Next, economics. Any organization to survive and sustain must be aware of the economic viability of their effort. This applies even to the non-profit and voluntary organization as well. Political science is also has been included in organizational behavior in the context of contributions of political scientists are significant to understand arrangement in organization. The study of individuals and groups within specific conditions concerning the power dynamics. Important topics under here include structuring of conflict, association, so allocation of power, and how people manipulate power for different people based on their self-interest, etc. So organizational behavior is an interdisciplinary approach. It is not about science or it is not about management. It is an interdisciplinary approach. So it is a prediction of human behavior in work environment. So many management thinkers have given different opinion regarding organizational behavior, but all that means the controlling and predicting and understanding of human behavior in organizational setup towards achieving the organizational objectives. So it focuses on nurturing humans towards productivity of the organization. So it includes everything: management, it includes motivation, it includes performance of the employee, it includes communication, how they deal the problem, how they encourage the employee, how leadership qualities are very much important in streamlining the process of the organization. So the next few more slides will detail you about so what are the components which are involving in organizational behavior to nurture the importance in the people who are working in the organization. So don't go anywhere, students. You please be in the class, be attentive. So it is very difficult, I hope, but still we are in a position to have this online class. So please wait for the next slide. Okay, thank you.